Now the other thing is we're just a mile in so far, but Scott always pushes me to run faster.
I'm running a step behind you.
We get talking and we just start running faster than we're like running synergy. We cause each other to run faster. All right, so we're a mile into our 50K. Rain's holding off so far.
Yeah, don't expect that to last much longer. I think we're probably gonna get rained on, but
yeah,
just a bit over an inch it seems like they're calling for. So
that's not too bad. Yeah. I saw Marianne posted online. She's like 100% chance of rain, but they're not saying is it gonna pour, is it gonna drizzle? And I thought that's the way to check is how much rain are they projecting over that amount of time.
Yeah.
So smart thinking, Scott.
Yeah, I don't think it'd be too bad.
All right, 5 miles in. We're wrapping up the river trail and heading over to Line Creek. And here with the weather forecast, Mark.
You're gonna get wet.
Okay, all right. All right, 11 miles in, it's 9:30. Starting to get a little rain.
Little sprinkles.
Ah, so refreshing.
Yep.
All right, it's 17 miles exactly. Scott's putting on his jacket. Mark was right. We were gonna get wet. I hope we don't get stranded by the creek. I hope it's not flooded. I didn't bring my floaters. These woods are pretty cool.
Oh yeah, they are.
There have been moments during this run where my feet have been really soaking.
Yeah.
Like when we've hit puddles like that. But it feels like then as soon as I get running, these shoes drain really well.
Yeah, my feet haven't been cold at all.
Yeah. All right, 29 miles in. We're closing in on her. We're back at English Landing. The river looks much higher than what it was when we left.
Rainy day 50K.
Yeah, that's a perfect title. Scott and I just finished the rainy day 50K. We ran from English Landing all the way over to Lion Creek, all the way up to Costco, and turned around and came back. That put us right at 30 miles, so we did a little half mile out and back to make it a true 50K. Scott went to go get some pizza up at Stone Canyon, and a train came by, so he may have gotten stuck by that. I'm sitting at the shelter drinking beer, waiting for his arrival, and I brought the heater, but I'm a little afraid it might be running out of gas. I'm afraid my thing might be running out of gas. Yeah. I mean, you got fleece lined pants.
I got fleece lined pants.
Oh, that looks beautiful.
Sure. Oh, can you believe we ran to Costco from here?
So here's kind of a cool thing. Saturday, I ran my 50K PR. Here's my 12th 50K, so it wasn't like it was an easy barrier to break. Previous to that, my fastest 50K was just a little over 6 hours. I think like 6:08. But running with Scott all day long, we did it in under 6. So after doing the 50K with Scott on Saturday, I met up with Peter, Susie, and Barrett to run the muddy loops at Waco. After one loop, Barrett and I dropped Peter and Susie and went back out for a second loop.
Gentlemen,
Peter?
men of strong gumption.
Gumption man. All right, we've dropped the dead weight and Barrett and I are now ready to go crank out a second loop. Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah, bye, Susie. Well, and kind of the cool news about it was if I did 21 miles, that would get me to 200 miles for the month. So Barrett ran with me to get one more mile in. Felt a little like Ted, somewhat just running around the parking lot, making sure I got that extra bit to round up. It's really nice to have friends to push you and to run with. When I leaned down to put the camera on the bench, all the water from my hood poured out. I've been carrying a lot of extra weight.